I need to know how to fix a broken refrigerator water line.
Turn off the water to the fridge if it is really out of control.
That only stops the mess.
If you're lucky, you can fix it by putting the water line back in its port, connecting it to the ice maker.
What would cause it to come off in the first place?
Not having put it back securely the last time someone took it off to clear ice out of the line, or not having melted ice in the line that was causing the blockage, so the pressure caused it to come off and spurt like a video game victory.
I don't think this was simply a loose connection.
The water valve that sends water to the ice maker and water dispenser can leak.
It seems like anything in contact with water leaks eventually.
Rust is a common culprit. For example, even if the valve is water, the pieces that hold it together to open and close are metal.
And plastic pieces wear out faster than metal.
If that's the case, replacing the valve could solve the water line leak. And if it is that water inlet valve, be sure to turn it off at the wall via the water supply valve.
I wonder if the water supply valve is broken too.
You'd have water dripping out of it and onto the floor even if the valve was turned off. But you can put a paper towel under the knob and see if it gets wet to see if the water supply valve is failing, too.
If that's failing, I have to turn off water to the kitchen.
And likely call a plumber, if you have multiple water leaks.
And a floor cleaning service.
Let's assume it is a water leak from the water valve in the fridge. Turn off the water and take the water supply valve out of the fridge.
What could cause that to fail?
It could have either the water tube to the water dispenser or ice maker cracked from impact or pressure from ice formation, turned brittle from heat from a compressor motor, or just wore out to the point water leaks out.
It could also be a combination of factors.
Sure, an overheated motor could melt and warp the water supply line. Then you replace the water line tube to stop the leak before calling someone to replace the motor.
I hope I can just replace the whole assembly.
Yes, though the manufacturer may only supply that part to a certified repair person. This isn't like a water filter that they suggest homeowners replace themselves.
I don't think I've done that recently.
Some fridges have a counter based on dispenser uses or hours of use that tell you when to change it. But if you don't replace a clogged filter, water may leak around the filter.
That would be something you could miss while assuming the leak is the water line.
If you've already got a water leak and halfway taken apart the fridge, you might as well replace the filter while you're at it.